when the delivery team is starting from scratch at construction stage, they miss all the initial conversations. They miss the conversations with the supply chain, they miss the over and back, the RFIs with the client's reps and the project managers for the client at tender stage. They miss a lot of key information and key steps in the project pre-construction. So what we do is we use the same team from initial onset of tender right through to project one, project delivery. That helps plan the project in minute detail from day one.
The commercial advantages of Built being involved from landlord subdivision works right through to tenant fit out are enormous, because we bring with us all of the building information, so we retain all that information. There's a continuity of supply chain. It reduces waste. We've identified the risks early on through the landlord works, so we can identify them for the client and ultimately mitigate the risk and in turn save money.
The benefit of both pricing the job and then being the QS on the job, it means you're aware of all of the kind of intricacies of the project. So you've kind of been heavily involved from when you've received the tender. You can bring that knowledge that you've garnered through the tender process into the actual on-site works.